back to Investment Beat here on the Thai ASEAN News Network. Following weeks of rallying, bringing prices to record highs across the globe, gold saw 4 consecutive cuts this morning with only a slight rebound after midday. Discussing this latest development with us is CEO of YLG Bullion and Futures Company Limited, Thipa Nawawathanasapt. สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับคุณทิพาครับ Now, first off, the big question on everyone's mind today is the gold rally over? ครับผม
Hello
Yes, คุณทิพาครับ
ค่ะ
Yes, we wanted to know from your perspective, do you think that the gold rally that we've been seeing over the past few weeks, is it officially over today?
Not really. It's just we believe that it's just some collections right now for the gold price, as we all know that it's been increasing for almost 7 weeks for the gold price. So every time when there is a big increasing in the gold price, there will be some collections, and this time it's just some collections also. And for the collections for each time, it depends. It will be around like $100 up to $300 per troy ounce. But then for this time, it should be around like $200 to $250 per troy ounce. So we believe that it's just some collections. But then in terms of medium term and long term, if we have a look at the fundamental factors, we still believe that the gold price still have a potential to grow up again as the uncertainties of the economies in the U.S., in Eurozone, and also uncertainties in the Middle East.
Would you say then that today's drop was anticipated by gold traders here in Thailand?
Not really. The drop of the gold price, we believe that it's just a profit takings, and it's happened all over the world. And then as we all see that the hedge fund, a lot of big hedge funds, they all sales as well. Like for example, SPDR Spider Gold ETF for 3 days they sell almost 70 tons.
Now you're saying that the factors, the fundamental factors here in Thailand and across the world are setting up gold to continue to rise. Could you just talk about this gold rally in perspective? How welcome is it that we will see gold rise for consecutive weeks like this?
We still believe that for this year, the gold price, we should potentially see it at the high of around like $2,000 per troy ounce. That's because of the support for, as we all know that every year around year end of Q4, there will be more demand for jewelry demand for India and China, which is very high for the jewelry industry, which will rise the gold price, as well as there's still a lot of uncertainties in the U.S. economies. And also this week, we still have to have a look at the Fed meeting, which we will see that whether Fed will have any quantitative easings or something that we will call something similar to stimulus the economy or not.
Okay, then just looking at today's drop, then could you just give us your impression of the effects that we will be seeing on buyers and sellers today?
Still, right now, like even though there is already a lot of drops of gold price right now, but then in Thailand, there's a lot of buying. But then if we have a look at the demand all over the world, we still can see that there's still low demand for buying right now, as we see that there's still a lot of drop in gold price. The lowest so far today is around at the $1,700 per troy ounce. So the next potential drop of the support is around like $1,680 per troy ounce and $1,650 per troy ounce for the next 2 support levels.
And just before we let you go, then Kuntipa, could you give your own assessment of the fluctuation range we could be anticipating in the days and weeks to come?
So for the range for days and weeks, we still think that right now, because there's very volatile in this market right now, so in order to give for a week range, it will be very difficult, because as we all see that within 1 day the gold price drops almost like $90 per troy ounce, which is very, very quick and very fast. So in order to invest in gold in near term, or investors, they should anticipate in news quite often and to see how it will change day to day.
Okay, Kuntipa, thank you very much for your insights.
Thank you.
And that was the CEO of YLG Bullion and Futures.